Hi everyone, this is Camper Cooking with Chef Paul. We are Americans living in France who have always liked camping and eating well. Like many of you, we bought a camping car after the first pandemic lockdown so we could still travel safely. Chef Paul does most of the food prep at home so we can have more time to explore. He will show you how a classically trained chef prepares great food even with a camper's minimal kitchen, utilizing historical and modern techniques.
So I have 3 really pretty veal chops. And this is going to be for one glorious meal. So I can put them all in one bag as long as I can get them in the bag pretty flat. Now, unlike sous vide a dry rub, I am ready to go ahead and make this happen. I've got my Amazon's cheapest sous vide one. I've got my veal chops. Uh-oh, that's not going to work. Will start automatically once it gets to 129 degrees, which looks like it's going to happen pretty fast. So in 6 hours, I can pull that out of the hot water, immerse it in ice water, and then I've just taken something that should last 3 weeks in the refrigerator, and now I've made it to last probably 6 weeks in the refrigerator. Well, the timer's done on the sous vide veal chop. You see, I put a little plastic on to cut down on the evaporation. Looks like the bag kept its seal. Got all that butter everywhere. So I'm going to drop it here and work on shocking it. That probably makes really good TV for you to see me filling a nice tray. I will point out this is a really important step. I want to stop that cooking as quickly as I can. Any of the fat and blood that's kind of leaked out of the meat in the cooking process, I want it to get sucked right back in. And you can already see that the bag is tightening up again. As the meat cools, it contracts. So I can't wait to taste that. Sorry, you're not going to get. Time for a picnic. Long weekend of camping. Stopped at an air de service on the way back to Strasbourg. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's a castle over there. Another castle. We're going to have some veal chops. Okay, these are our veal chops. Almost lost one. And green peppercorn brandy compound butter. More than we can possibly eat. Leftovers won't be that bad. What we found is that the quality of cow meat is not very good here in France. Because it's mostly old dairy cows. But the veal is really good because I guess half of the animals that are born don't have tits. Those must be butchered young, and we get pretty good meat from them. Just not getting a lot of heat. I like that this grill is small and portable and does multiple things, but I just don't get a lot of heat from it. It's
awkward to even try to give it any wind protection. So it may be time for an upgrade. I'm going to let that just burn off, and I'm going to eat.